Guess what I'm doing today? One guess. If you can guess it, you're the winner chicken dinner.
believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no, heaven go, cause I got you, I got you. Don't wanna stop, show us up, but you're my own. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
Now I'm just waiting on the two blankets to get dry. One's already dried, one's in the dryer drying, then I can put my weighted blanket back on. And that's as much as I'm making up for the bed today. I'm not putting the bedspread on and the 400 throw pillow on this little blanket to dry up. Boy, I tell you, there was grass all over the mattress and the mattress cover, which I should have actually stripped it, but I didn't. I really need to get a new one. That one's several years old. However, there was grass all over the floor, all over this bench, all over the bed, the mattress cover, where the girls have been out there rolling, and then they come in here and jump up on the bed. Usually we try to catch them and stop them from that rolling, and if we can, we'll brush them out outside instead of them bringing all that dry, dirty grass in here inside. Boy, was everything dusty. And when I dust, I go over each bottle of perfume to get the dust off too. And I have more perfume in this area. And I have even more in that area. This girl loves her some fragrance, some jewelry, clothes. And I went ahead and dusted the ceiling fan today. Boy, did it need it. It was dirty. Always nice to have a dust-free or less dust bedroom. I'm not gonna say it's dust-free because it's not. When you own 2 cattle dogs and you've got farming land around you, which they were actually harvesting today across the street. Soybeans, I think Ken said it was. They alternate crops. One part of the year they'll grow something, and the second part they'll grow another something, and then they alternate that back and forth. So this room's done. To run the vacuum in here, in the dining room, the hallway, and the kitchen. It's on it. It's always nice to climb into a bed with a clean, tight, clean sheets. I gotta do my final tug and tighten up. I'm waiting for the blankets to get done. So on bedroom cleaning days, I like to change out my wax, and I use in the bedroom these mixer mount spots. And I like the high maintenance and the Diva, and I actually like those mixed together. And then that's what a cube looks like. And I'll use 1 cube of each. And I just poured out the old wax just now, cleaned it out, and now it's got new fresh scent in it. So when our bedroom be smelling like this, that means it's just been cleaned. But this does last a while. The throw, it lasts for quite some time. And it's not overpowering, or I don't think it is.